Hi, today I'll explain what to do if when you first launch Keyboard Extension, you blocked network access in the pop-up window from Windows Security. After that, you won't be able to pair the mobile app with the desktop app. This pop-up window only appears after the first launch, so you'll need to manually grant access in the firewall settings. Open the control panel. Select the System and Security section. Then go to Windows Firewall Settings. On the left side of the list, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. A list of apps that use a network connection will open. Look for Keyboard Extension here. Then click Change Settings. Check all the boxes. Click OK at the bottom. Done. After that, the mobile app will connect to your computer, and you'll be able to use Keyboard Extension. Be sure to check out the other videos on our channel where we talk about Keyboard Extension's features.